Well, we are opening up the new 2025-26 Bowman NBA. Man, I can't wait to do what we did out there. Hopefully we pulled up in note. Hopefully dumping okay. I mean, I'm not expecting no auto or anything in the first one. I'm hardly not, but what we did. Do the 5-pack too. It was, I believe, like 10 20, yeah. So it would be interesting to see what we pull out. Oh, Devin Butler, Time, Murray Boy, Duda Henderson, the very own Small, Chris Paul, okay. Well, even got Tarleton here, Bowman Tom, okay. Hanging Wally from Kentucky, alright. But the end better. I'll tell you that the woman's alright. Darren Perry from Tandon Omer. I'll tell you that the towels in here too. Okay, I like that. Having a little mix up, I love it. The one up for what the other year, Tom Trinity, that, what the name is, Superfly's, teammate, dude. Nada Weed, alright, Tam Thompson, Buddy His, DeWalt Jackson Jr., okay. With a Woody Trey Dalton the third, waiting his road in time. Alright. The Ellen Fox. T. Don Hall. Alright. Dajion Dalton. Tiana McMillan. Okay. Hopefully we pulled down. Dayton Ivory, Dottie Barnes, Mark Williams, Acton Newton at the Woody, with the Dante, okay. We got Tom Pete and on the verified, alright. Brendan Miller, alright. DJ Ingram, DT Toppy, alright. And Deanna Better, again. Down the hill. Oh, sure, do whatever. Come on. R.D. Thompson, Brendan Miller again, Noah Idati, pardon my pronunciation of some of these, it's hard. Oh, I like to. Without the what or two, I like to. Damn me feels, alright. Dayton Tatum, the Batting Wiltons, and out Wall, Don Peterson. How we got a couple of these already over again? Hey, let's hope we did dump it in this red pad. We traded it, we don't. Kyle Badenti, okay. Dalton Teents, Ace Bailey, Taylor Denon Jr., Jamar McMahon, okay. Deontay Avali, Davion Lee, Juby, and T. Dornhall. Okay, that was enjoyed the post. We haven't do it all right here though. I mean, I did die to it though. That's nice. Doing it loading and we dove. Okay, nothing too bad. Alright, I'll do you on the next one.